Hi guys! Today we're gonna show you how to cook the yummiest Ginisang Mongo with Lechon Kawali. Here's what we need. 6 cloves garlic crushed, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 3 pieces medium-sized tomato sliced, 3 pieces siling haba, 1 cup ampalaya leaves, 4 pieces tinapa. Shred the tinapa meat and discard the bones. 300 grams mongo beans. Boil for about an hour or until the beans are soft. Or pressure cooked for 10 to 15 minutes. And lechon kawali for toppings. Let's start cooking! Saute garlic and onion until golden brown. Add sliced tomatoes. Add the tinapa meat and stir for 1 minute. Add the sauteed ingredients to the boiled mongo and stir for a few minutes. Just a tip, if you want a thinner soup consistency, you may add more water. On the other hand, if you want a thicker soup consistency, simply lessen the amount of water, or you may continue cooking until the sauce thickens. Put in the siling haba, and or pork cube for additional taste. Add 1 tablespoon of salt or until the desired taste. Toss in the dahon ng palaya and simmer for 1 minute. Add the lechon kawali for toppings. Enjoy!